Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to write an API test with multiple assertions in Postman. Let's start by looking at the get URL. I'm using the postman-echo.com with ID equal to 123 as the query parameter. Next, let's look at the tests tab. Here I'm defining a test function called response body assertions. On line 2, I'm asserting that the response has the status of 200. On line 3, I'm expecting the response time to be below 300. Watch what happens if I change the expected response time to 30 and re-execute the request. This time our test failed because the response time was above 30 milliseconds. On line 5, I'm using the variable JSON data to capture the response body data. Next, I'm asserting that the args.id is equal to 123 and the length of args.id is equal to 3. On line 9, I'm expecting the headers.host to be equal to postman-echo.com. In the next line, I'm expecting the headers.host to be a string. Next, I'm asserting that the x-forwarded-port is equal to 80. Since the key has dashes in them, I had to use the square brackets with single quotes instead of the dot notation. Finally, on line 13, I'm expecting the URL to contain postman-echo.com. If I click on send, I'm expecting all my test assertions to pass. Say I change the x-forwarded port assertion to 70 from 80, then I expect one of my assertions to fail. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.